The WEP 992D Soldering Station Kit is an impressive 2-in-1 tool that combines both soldering and hot air rework capabilities, offering exceptional versatility for various tasks. Featuring a tilted LCD display, this kit allows for easy viewing and precise control, enhancing user convenience and efficiency. The inclusion of 3 preset channels helps streamline workflows by saving and recalling specific temperature and airflow settings, which is invaluable during repetitive tasks. Its detachable handles for both the soldering iron and hot air station make maintenance straightforward, significantly reducing costs by eliminating the need to replace the entire unit. With a wide temperature range and sleep mode functionality, the soldering station is designed to extend the lifespan of the soldering iron tips and heating elements. The hot air rework station is equipped with a brushless blower that ensures smooth airflow and low noise operation, making it suitable for a variety of applications.